Welcome to Battle Company. No, it's not. It's Nightingale. That's a good intro, right? I was gonna jokingly call it something else, but right, let's go.
Battlegale.
Yeah, Battlegale. I mean Nightingale. We've only been waiting for a week impatiently, and right, new profile. How do you change it from a man to a woman? Oh, woman to a man.
But like the male and female. Bit like that. Where's me?
But there's nowhere to change it.
Oh, hang on. I'm clicking play now. Believe it or not. It's on my recording as well. But
I'm not a woman. How do I change it? Shut up.
Here she is. Right.
Oh, wait a minute. Body type. Oh, it doesn't say. Right, okay. It doesn't say male or female. It just says body type.
Oh, it's body type, right. Fair enough. Right, video. Oh yeah, so there is a tick about enable for my my character didn't start like how yours was. Step 1. Welcome to Nightingale. Begin by player selecting basics, body types, and blah blah. Okay, so basic. Oh, yes, it's on the left side panel.
Military.
Right, body type.
Military officer, accustomed both to rough living in the field and yeah.
Oh, I see. You got it to your
I want to do military officer. Lineage.
Is that your? Yeah, it's all about your it's all your family thing, isn't it? I think it's how you adjust Right, story. Academic. I learned scholar, well versed in the physical science and humanities. Your time was spent among the grand libraries and lecture halls of your local university.
I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just doing stuff. I'm just selecting stuff.
I think these things will be sort of what probably contributes to your character's maybe stats or something.
Well, no, because I'm selecting my family tree, my lineage in a minute. So that's it's not really.
No. What you do is the lineage is when because all I did, I think what I've seen before is I will do like the mother and father thing, and then you can actually use the blend.
It's not, mate. It's not just mother and father. It goes all the way.
You can do the whole lot, but you don't. But you don't have to do. You don't have to do the whole lot.
I've done it all now.
I mean, I've never done it myself. Statesperson, but I'm doing this where it says the story bit's over. So, regent born into wealth and lineage of political power. Well, it's definitely not me.
That's you.
choosing the lonesome wilderness over the bustling city. You work the land, foregoing the comforts of modern life, as well as the social decorum in favour of total self-sufficiency.
That's
you know what? It's different. You've gone for officer.
Yeah.
there's a near-do well, a petty criminal. Well, I'm not criminal, sorry, a vagrant, destitute, and
Customize any of the areas you like.
relegate.
You can randomize settings by pressing the dice button. Let's see. Right, here we go.
Oh, this is what I did.
Oh, this is proper.
Yeah,
in depth.
really in depth. Right, so I've got to select parents. That one.
Oh God, no. No. This looks ill.
Right, so I'll go between those two people. So if I go to inheritance, there we go. This ain't it.
Character creation is under development and more customizable features will be coming soon. Thank you. Alright, so that's not even an option. Certain areas of it just aren't an option. I don't want hair. Oh, what? I want a proper beard. I don't want this.
Big old bushy beard, weren't you?
Oh, I wanted a big beard, yeah. I've set my age, but this guy looks 400 years older than I actually look.
Mine looks like
or if I look this old, I need to stop going out in public.
you stop going out. Oh, hang on, look at my picture. Look at those eyebrows. I look like some villainous Ben Kingsley. Oh dear. I mean, I'm not fully. I will. Yeah, this. I'm using the hermit lifestyle. I'm going to give myself a bit wishful thinking if I can here. I'm not going to worry about the forehead and all that. Not the eyes. That's fine. All that makeup. Right, difficulty. So he put refuge. Not really possible. It's easy for the moment. I don't know how it affects any of us. So I wonder if you had it on medium, will the enemies just be medium to you? Or something. I'm not sure how that will work. If it gets too easy, then I'll just mess the object.
Mate, I'm still working on my character.
You're still working? I mean, to be fair, I'm
Trying to make it look like I haven't just crawled out of the sewers. I don't need makeup. I'm an officer.
Red eyebrows. Okay, red eyebrows, mate.
Starting loadout, medium. Oh, this is difficulty.
Yeah. So I was just looking at the difficulties. Yeah, it's a survival prepper hermit. What it says, growing up in the richest urban centre, you were immersed in great civil unrest for many years. You moved your entire life away from the city. Abandoning connection.
Are we going easy or medium?
Alone in the end. I've gone with easy for now, but I think you can change it during play. I'm sure you can. There's a British sure seen it on there. As you joined the crowd escaping through your nearest portal, it was clear who was better equipped, though you could not help wondering if the realm's community or your realm's community might be more vital. And then realm. Oh, sorry. Yes, right. Equipment. That's right. Difficult for you. Your equipment is what you start off with. So easy, and then realm. I'm going to go with easy to start off with, I guess, because I don't know where. The higher the realm power, the more challenge. Oh, yeah, the more challenging the realm. This represents the difficulty of your starting realm. Each realm you visit afterwards will be different. The higher the realm power, the more challenging the realm. So you might as well just go with easy because it's going to grow and get harder anyway.
Finalize.
Right, finalize.
Your character name. Oh no! I can't just call him Bob, right? I call everyone Bob.
Yeah, you can't. Yeah, you.
Boba Fett.
Modern vet. Oh, mate. I'm just going to do the usual. Because this will be my main character. It will be just mad photos.
Arctis Captain. Our Smith's quite a...
Oh, yeah. Smithy.
I'll do Python. I'm not going to do Purple Python, I'll just do Python.
Oh, yeah, why not?
Before time itself, the realms have existed. Born of curiosity, we opened the first gateway to our endless Feywilds.
I'm going to watch this video, so...
The Fey have long since aided man in harnessing that which we live and breathe. Magic. Tolerance was known until your grasp extended reach. Greed, in the face of power, saw your world caught in ruin. And out flowed the Pale, swallowing all in its path. Some fled its ever-spreading tongue, seeking refuge in Nightingale, only to be severed from assistance as the pathway between realms collapsed. But perhaps not all is lost. For Nightingale still stands, pushing forward towards progress and enlightenment, humanity's final beacon. Your path thither is winding and full of terror's nascent realm walker. Wilt thou succumb to Fey lands beyond thy wit? Or wilt thou endure, find the way homeward and rebuild anew?
Waiting for server, preparing realm. Right, a known realm. I'll wait on this page.
Shooting animals in the heart with a ranged weapon is often fatal.
Oh, you're on a loading screen.
Yeah. Unknown realm.
All the guys are voting for yeah, all the guys voted to continue journey.
I'm in, yeah.
Let my words.
I assume it'll be a tutorial based on thing at the start.
Right mouse is guard, left mouse is punch.
You must escape through or join or clear a path. One thing to do,
Don't have any weapons. Is there things to collect? I'm not seeing anything highlight.
How now, fleshling? Whither wander you lost in our Feywild?
Someone's talking to me, I can't listen to both. I missed all of that. So what was that?
No, this is yeah. So when you want to do your pictures, mate, F4 removes the HUD.
Oh well, yeah, I'll worry about that in a minute.
Yeah, I'll worry about that later. Yeah, I'm not picking anything from the start with that wreckage where you just come through that portal. So
I can't see anything. Nothing's highlighted to pick up, so.
Show haste, human.
Show haste, human.
Quickly, before those bound fiends sniff out your despair.
I went left. And what do I have to press? Need a play or biome card. You have to pick something up, mate, because I can't use that. How do you use the machine? I'll go talk to this guy.
Shadows abound, yet like a fire's final embers, you refuse to be snuffed out. I come with an offer to guide you to a safer realm, and rebuke death, unlike so many of your kin. Take these bloodstained cards, play them, and let amiable bond be drawn between Fae and Fleshling. Give me your hands, that we may be friends, and I shall restore amends. Homosit inconul ome. Hurry yonder, toward portal and apparatus, so you, bare child of Earth, might abscond this nightmare. Travel to the forest byway swiftly. Across the divide a greater gift awaits. Partnerships with we Fae afford many wonders yet unseen.
I'll play these cards apparently.
Yeah, so I've got to go to the
Oh, you drag and drop.
yeah, so yeah, that's right, that first card is there.
Fly, Realm Walker. The fiends have caught your despairing stench.
Beds and bedrolls provide rest. Building them near warmth and or shelter increases comfort. Makes sense, right?
Did you not see the things that just come chasing you?
No, I weren't looking behind me, mate. I just ran through the...
Yeah, good job you did, because I just heard something. I just turned around and I just saw a bunch of like whatever they were coming running at us, and I just ran through.
Forest card. Play this card to seek a realm lush in forest. The first discovered realm was a lush forest. Misleading recluse night.
Oh yeah, he tells me about it. Yeah, he tells you about the
Count thyself among the fortunate few who manage to flee the Pale's noxious proliferation.
I just realised his name is Puck. Also, Ron's with, I'm not going to say it.
Sorry about that, I had a knock on the door.
Nightingale still stands, but Earth teeters on the brink, and these wilds are far from hospitable. Sequestered so and struck by woe begs the question, wilt thou be a survivor? The gift I promised should aid thy cause. A hermetic guidebook and pocket watch, purloined off the corpse of a realm walker. Keep these like close companions. With the man-made network sundered, entrust me to find the trail forward through these byway realms. In the interim, I hear your stomach snarling. Take reprieve from misery, and gorge yourself with a feast fit for a fleshling. Preserve yourself, and I shall return anon. Oh, under this mask, you wonder. I am Puck.
No, it reads it
Robin
to you, right?
to some, Oberon's merry wanderer of the night, the last furtive fae to grace your kind.
So, What are the bushes with berries in then? Oh, there. See the ones with berries on them.
Oh, I just realised, yeah, the one of his
You can hold small items like food and torches in your offhand, yeah. I've eaten.
Alright, so how do I... I've got berries in my hand, but we'll get them just I think easy the hard way.
I had mine in my hand, I pressed the button in it. F I think it was I pressed. Or right button.
Oh, I know, yeah, I didn't press F, that's probably why.
Acquire rocks. Can't see any bloody rocks. Where are the rocks? An axe for you.
I'll just come to the beach there.
Is there rocks on the beach?
Oh wow. Yeah, look for a little small pile of rocks.
Found them.
Nice. I'll tell you what, have you noticed the footprints in the sand?
No, not yet. I've looked at the sound.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you can see mine.
Oh yeah. Acquire raw red berries.
I guess if they're going to help, I'm going to do something. I'm going to take as much rocks as I really can.
Build a campfire. B. Open your guidebook. Crafting. No.
Oh, yeah, I get it. That's an F. F is actually used in your secondary hand.
Building.
Oh, I'm supposed to collect the berries before I eat them at the moment because it's telling me compact. Right, here's what I get. Here we go. Yes, now I'm going to build a campfire. Oh, I know what I've been doing wrong.
How do I build this then?
Right, so when you press B, when you press B, you can see a card, can't you? Or a thing on it.
Oh, I've done it.
Yeah, no, but you just go on. Oh no, once you've done it, you press it again to put it away, and then E to auto resources. Right, workbench is another station. Nightingale have multiple interaction points. Interact with the fire pit area and the camp. Right, next. After igniting the campfire, interact with the I get it. Yeah. Right. Oh, I see. So you can do that, or I can hold for more options. Add fuel to the inventory, or not.
Hey.
Oh, also build.
I've done it.
Right.
I'm cooking.
And then. Right. I take it. You just bring that up and you just. No, it's nice here. You balloon. Right. That's fine. Craft items, right, I get it. So I couldn't figure out adding the berries into it, I've solved it. Auto fill that. There we go. And then
We need at least 5 to make roasted red berries.
right, yeah. I've been picking out on just raw berries on the road at the time and realising I was supposed to take 5. Right, so now I've done that. We'll get a 7. Eat berries. Right, whoa, I don't need him in the room because he's spawned out in front of me.
Oh, yeah, he hasn't come back to me yet. Oh, that's right, it's just because I haven't eaten yet.
Yeah, you've got to eat.
You've avoided embarrassment by staving off starvation. From the lingering scent, your meal was no summer court banquet.
He's a funny
but at
guy.
least you persist.
Pretty sarcastic, isn't he? hang on. You can,
We must carry forth whilst this byway is aligned with another. One which should get us closer to necessities we'll both require.
You can join us. Well, we're only going to be talking about the game, aren't we?
The portal stands nearby. Delay not, for the withering sands
right. So
await.
you can join in, but we will be telling you about this game and all that. So unless you wanna.
Locate the realm portal and venture into the desert byway realm. Oh, I'm pretty sure that's the portal over there. Let's
Oh, you got the big stone-looking thing there.
I'm gonna gather some resources.
Yeah, I'm thinking doing the same thing. Yeah, I'm just thinking grabbing whatever we need before jumping through that next bit.
I'm just grabbing some berries. I'm gonna roast them up.
Yeah, they're using what you've got right now.
Berry boys. Well, we're going into a desert realm next, so God knows what we'll actually have access to.
Yeah, it's probably best to grab what you can and stop it like, anything.
Probably everything to get ready, but
yeah, well, for the tutorial, but not be funny. What about afterwards? You, as long as you keep things moving, you might as well have a
oh shit, the fire's run out.
Oh, you can do different plans. Okay, but the food didn't exactly all pull up, but obviously it's not was it?
Learn how to reignite the fire.
I'm guessing. Oh, I've noticed when you look at the fire, you see. Oh, there's a button with the when you go to craft a berry, it says manage fuel. You click on manage fuel.
Ah, there, yeah. I see. Right, well, I'm going to head towards the big thing that looks like a dish and assume it's a portal.
Yeah, I'm heading there now. No, yeah, we're going by the Stargate looking thing. I'm going to go by. Right, here's the machine.
Let's go! Ah, critical.
It's open! Now jump. Oh, and we're going through. In essence, drops at higher tiers as the realm power increases. Ah. Continue a journey.
Right, well I'm going to stop this episode here. Well, we're going to listen to this guy, then we're going to stop the episode here. And then we'll explore the desert realm in the next episode. Well, actually no, I don't need to talk to him, so we'll end it here and we'll explore the desert realm in the next episode.